Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dental Babe Ray, and I'm back with another wig review for Beauty Forever Hair. The wig I'm going to be doing a review on is from their Bye Bye Knots collection. It's in the loose wave. It's 24 inches, 180 density, and it has a curtain bang. So let's get into it. I'm super excited to try out this wig because I never did a curtain bang on my channel, and I love that they came with a roller so that it keeps the curl intact, because this is definitely supposed to be a throw on and go. This unit did come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached for us. It has the adjustable band, and it has the C curve around the ears, along with the adjustable straps in the back and the one giant clip. Let's try this beauty on. Beauty Forever sent me this gorgeous unit. Look how beautiful she is, 24 inches. Look at all this body at 180 density. Look how versatile these bangs are. They can be bangs and then they can be on the side and give a curtain look. I love this unit. She is definitely giving. This wig is screaming baddie. Look how gorgeous she is and how full she looks with 180 density. And the fact that this really is truly a throw on and go straight out the package. You don't need any makeup. You don't need any lace tint. Look at this gorgeous beauty. She's so versatile. We can wear her in the traditional bangs. We can wear her in the curtain bangs. I think for me, I'm going to keep her in the curtain bang because I never wear wigs like that. I'm very impressed. Look how beautiful this wig is. Oh my gosh, I love it. And the fact that I can wear my glasses still. I just gave her 2 ponytails just to show that this wig, you can do other styles. You can put her up, half down. You can wear it completely down. This wig is the sky is the limits with the styling. I never knew that I could wear curtain bangs. I'm so excited that I got to try this unit out because it's definitely going to be a wig I throw on and go. And the best part, I'm wearing this wig completely glueless. All right guys, so you know what time it is. It's grade with the Dental Babe. Time to give this gorgeous unit a grade. So we're gonna give her 5 out of 5 teeth. This wig is definitely deserving 5 out of 5 teeth. The fact that on the website it stated it was a throw on and go, and she completely was. The fact we can make this be a versatile unit where you can wear the bangs in the traditional, a curtain bang, we can do different styles, and she's still giving that full luscious look is what I love. I'm also super impressed that there was little to no shedding. Sometimes when you get wigs with higher densities, there is shedding, and this wig didn't have any. This wig is definitely a winner in my book. You better go out and get you one. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay blessed.